Welcome to Sunlee's kitchen. Today, we are making Bánh Bao Chi, a traditional dish that spans across many generations of Vietnamese. There are three main ingredients in Bánh Bao: glutinous rice flour, and tapioca starch. And don't forget about Sunlee coconut cream red label. You can easily find these Sunlee's ingredients in a Vietnamese or Asian market near you. First of all, mix all the ingredients together. Add in a little bit of sugar and salt for a better flavor. Coconut cream can make the flour more creamy and natural tasting, but mix it well before adding in the coconut cream. Next, cover the mixture and put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. In that time, mix roasted sesame seeds, chopped peanuts, coconut flakes, and a little dry shredded coconut until the coconut is mixed in. Then add in a little bit of salt and a little sugar. Next, cook the mixture until the mixture becomes browned. After that, add tapioca flour to make the mixture chewier. Once the flour mixture is half cooked, remove the wrap and test it out. You can cook it for another 2 minutes if necessary. Our crust and fillings are ready now. Now we can make mochi balls with the dough. We roll the cake with a mixture of cooked sticky rice and the shredded coconut. Our Bánh Bao looks delicious, chewy with a soft crust and a very fragrant filling. It has turned out perfectly. You can make this dish in just 15 minutes. It's so easy. Enjoy it and see you in the next video.